So best friend, we was in the midst of, so like I said, I initially was decorating for winter, right? I have moved all of the Christmas stuff you seen in that video. So I come in my room and I told my husband, I said, babe, help me move. Girl, this is crazy. I said, babe, help me move the armoire so I can do the measuring for my bedroom blinds. I am in another collaboration with Toke Blinds. I will have my link down below, and also I have a discount code that you can use to get 10% off of your custom zebra blinds. So if you guys have been following me for a while, you would know that I had a big armoire right here. And I told my husband, I say, help me move the armoire and measure here so I can send in the measurements to get my bedroom blinds. And he said, you just need them for these 2 windows, right? And I said, no, I'm gonna get them for all 3 windows. And he said, but you got the armoire right here. And then he and I started talking, and I said, let's try to turn and change the room around. I would love a different look. I would love, I told him, to have a seating area right here. So look what we did, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all the rest, but look what we did. I put the camera down so you guys can see. So we did a sitting area right here because don't pay these blinds. Remember, these blinds was always hidden behind the armoire, so they is super dusty. But I told him, I said, I really, really, really so much, babe, would love a different look in my room, change my room around. So he did, y'all. So listen, I said, how about if we just get rid of the armoire, period, just get rid of it? And he said no, because this is where I keep cologne and all of this stuff at. And I'll show y'all that once it's organized. But it was organized and it's pretty. Everything is in tray. We have, you know, cologne, perfume, caps, neckties, and jewelry. We have everything in the armoire. And at the bottom of the armoire in the drawers is where he has like all his comfortable clothes. And he was like, we can't get rid of that because where am I gonna put the stuff? So y'all, I'm telling y'all all of that to see. Pay this no mind. My nose is running, so I got tissue in my bra. Not because I need it, but not needed like for this, but for this. Anyways, y'all, so that's what we ended up doing. We ended up flipping the wall. So let me show y'all what we did. Now, I'm going to tell you right now, if it ain't your style, it ain't your style. You don't have to leave a comment telling me that you don't like it. If you don't like it, you can leave me the comment and tell me you don't like it. But, I mean, it don't matter. I don't have a choice. I got to keep it there, because I can't get rid of it. But what I wasn't going to do was get luxury blinds up here, zebra shades. The purpose of me getting it is so I can have more sunlight. And I really want a reading nook. Y'all don't understand. I got my 52-week Bible coming. It should be coming tomorrow. No, it might be coming, yeah, tomorrow. And I want to have a space that I can sit and I can read. I probably even would like to have maybe a mini little lamp here just to read. my Bible, to study the word, and I wanted a reading nook. I wanted to have a space. With the chairs being over on that wall right there, y'all, I was not able to do that because these chairs was really just display. But now I have a chair where I can sit and I can read. Girl, I like this better. But instead of me keep talking to y'all, because I know y'all want to see what it looks like, let me just go ahead on and show y'all what it looked like. But imagine, y'all, just imagine what I'm talking about. Just imagine how this feels. It just feels so open, and having the custom blinds here, girl, I can already tell y'all I'm loving. And even when my husband came and sat right here, he was like, yeah, I really like this better. But we put the armwall against the wall. Just let me go ahead on and show y'all. This what we did. This what we did. I mean, remember that these huge things, right? These things are massive. They are huge, right? Look, they're huge. So we put those on this side. Remember, we had two on that side, two on this side. So he put it on this side, and he moved the armoire here. I mean, that's all I could think about doing. But it feels so open. I even moved the bench, the two benches that I had here. I'm just going for a whole different look. I even moved the two benches that I had here. And I put one in my bathroom, and I put one in between the chairs. And over here, I don't have nothing here. It's just space and opportunity. It's just space. There ain't gonna be no opportunity to do anything. But I put that here, and then in the corner on this side, I have all of my massages. I have my foot massager, my neck massager, my eye massager, and my back massager, and my heating pad. I have that. You know what? I could have put that in a basket. Even though I have it nicely in the corner right here, I could have actually put that in a basket. Because I do have a gold, I could have put that in my gold basket right here and push that into the wall. And then on my husband's side, on the side of his nightstand, I have his humiditor. If you guys do not know what that is, I might be pronouncing it wrong. But anyways, it's for his cigars. Because when he's home, I don't like him to have to keep running upstairs. I have so many of them things. I did so many collaborations for those things. I have one in the game room, one in the theater room, and I have one down here now. So when he's home, he buy the big old things of cigars, and he can put them in different areas as he sit. If he's in the game room, he can have one in the game room. If he's in the theater room, he can have one in the theater room. And when he's downstairs and sitting outside on his patio, he have it right there. He don't have to keep running upstairs. So we have everything that we need. Room is not clean. We just basically moved everything around and organized it. And when I get the blinds and I put the blinds, the zebra shades up, I'm gonna clean up the room, make the bed, and I'm gonna give you the whole feel of what it looks like. I just wanted to tell y'all about some new updates that I was doing, and this is making a big impact in my room. It's a small change, but I know I look dark. It's a small change, but it is definitely a big impact. Bathroom still a mess, but look at the wall, y'all. Look how nice. And let me tell y'all something. We also was about to take these down and move this one up over here, then move this one here, and then move the big one. But these things are so big and so heavy, I did not want to put any more holes in my wall. And I kept telling him, I'm not putting no holes in my wall. Because as you can see, these things are big. They come from Store Furniture, and they were very expensive. And I just didn't want to put any more holes in the wall. So this is how we did it. Also, let me show y'all what else we did, girl. And if you judge me, you're going to have a problem. Let me tell you. So I'm going to sit down and I'm going to tell y'all what happened. Don't pay no attention to these blinds because they're dirty. So when I was moving stuff around, y'all, behind the armoire, I had my pictures, my black and white pictures. Because y'all know in my room, my room is like beige. My popper color is blue in here, but it's like beige, white. It have gold in here, and it have some black in here. So I had some black. Let me show y'all. I had some frame art up on top of, oh, the frame art was here. No, the frame art was here. If I'm not mistaken, I had the 2 frame art pictures here. And girl, when I moved that, when I moved the room around, right? I mean, when he moved the armwall, he saw those pictures. And the first thing that my husband said was, I love these pictures. These pictures that made me smile, babe. We had to be married about 18 years on these pictures. I absolutely love those pictures. Put them on the wall. And I was like, for real? You want me to put them on the wall? He was like, yeah, go ahead on. Put them on. I want them on the wall. So I hung the pictures on the wall. And let me show you where I put them. Now, you may not like that, but it doesn't look bad. It don't look bad at all. And that's why I'm going to keep them at. Now, be mindful. My room is not decorated. I am still moving things back to where they were for the holiday time. During the holiday time, girl, this room housed a lot of stuff. And I had a book of stuff sitting on top of the dresser. So I'm moving things around. And when I get ready to do my room, you are going to be the first one to see how I change things around. Again, I didn't use any things behind my bench because I wanted to be able to just walk. Now, the only thing is that with this being spread it out like this, I'm covering up the monitor. So I'm thinking that he's going to move the monitor somewhere else. I'm sick of seeing it anyways. But anyways, y'all, this is where we at. And then remember I told y'all I had all my stuff right there. I think I'm going to try to, I don't know, y'all. But anyways, this is it. So again, y'all, this is really all about home updates. Simple home updates that will bring a luxury, cozy feel to your house this year. And that's what it's all about. I told y'all I am doing everything to make things accessible, make things easy for me, make things comfortable for me in my home. And I absolutely love the fact that, and I'm gonna keep this tray here, I'm just gonna decorate it, maybe put me a pretty candle, maybe my Joe Malone candle here. I'm probably gonna get me a nice little light to sit here where I can read and just sit here and be comfortable. He was saying, you don't have a table that you could put there? And I was like, nope, I'm gonna use my I'm gonna use this because this is easy. And then I can put storage in here as well. But what I have in there is a bunch of batteries and all kind of stuff, girl. I don't even know what half of the stuff is in here. But yeah, so that's what I kind of wanted to share with you guys. And I'm gonna come back and show y'all my room when it's decorated, when it's clean, and when I have my blinds up. But if you guys do not know that I have the taupe blinds already in my living room, kitchen, my formal living room, my formal dining room, and in my kitchen. And I am also now putting it in here. So I'm going to have taupe blinds. I'm going to have the zebra custom blinds through the whole downstairs of my home. And once I get those blinds, zebra blinds, I am going to show you guys what it looks like. We just did the measurements. I'm going to submit everything today. So it takes probably about 2 weeks for me to get them in, and that'll give me enough time to figure out exactly what I want to do and how I want to do my room. And I will definitely come back and show you guys what it looks like and share that collaboration. Also, I have a link down. I can put a link down below to my taupe blinds that I did in a previous collaboration down below, and you can still use my discount code. So I will have it all down below for you. I am totally obsessed with these blinds. I have them everywhere, and it feels so good to wake up in the morning, press a button, blinds go up, start getting dark, press the button and close them. So it is really all about creating a beautiful luxury home, and that's what I'm all about. Oh, and then not to mention, y'all, my room feels so spacious. I cannot wait to bring out the decor, to decorate the space, put me some cozy flowers in here, make up my bed. It feels so good in here. So I will see you guys on the next video. The next video y'all probably gonna see is me decorating my formals, because I started and I ended up getting sidetracked and came all the way in this room and I got sidetracked. But y'all know anything that I do is content. So here you go. That's why you got today's video. So I love you guys. Be blessed and stay encouraged. I will see you guys on the next one.